Hello student, welcome back to our class. So I hope you all are good and fine. Okay, so let's start our today's class. As first we recall what we are studying in our what we have studied in our previous classes. Like as in our previous classes, we are studying about the theorem and we solved that theorem. Okay, the points are given over there and we have to see the construct the circle and tell and prove that theorem. Okay, so now student, here I will construct one more here. Okay, and you have to tell me. So I have constructed this figure like inside this you can see that inside this you can see that one type of quadrilateral I will name as A, B, and PQ. Okay, so moving further, now student, you have to draw a triangle. Like no, sorry, I have drawn a triangle, and you have to tell him how much quadrilateral we can draw, so that in there all vertex lie on the circle. Okay, so here we can take 4 point ABC like AB, PQ on the circle and draw a quadrilateral by joining them and add them, measure that all the angles and find out the sum of opposite angle. Okay, so here that sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Okay, for that the sum of the opposite angle will be the 180 degree. Okay, so now we will solve a theorem related to 180 degree the quadrilateral circle. So today's our topic will be the solving a theorem. Okay, so so student, very good. So here I have theorem like the sum of either part of opposite angle of a circle is quadrilateral 180 degree. What? Quadrilateral 180 degree. Okay, so here we have to prove like this theorem. Okay, first what we have to do, so first we have to like explain the concept by drawing the figure. Okay, so as I have drawn this, now we will construct the figure. Okay, so for that I am constructing the figure. So I will name as A, B and C, D. So this is the construction of the figure of the theorem. Okay, so student, have you got this figure? Why I have drawn this figure? Okay, so yes, I have drawn with related to the theorem. Okay, so now let's. I have one question for you. Let's solve that question. Okay, the sum of either pair of opposite angle of a circle quadrilateral is 180 degree. Is it true or false? As here we can see it will be a true statement. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear with the statement. Okay, now again I will write one question here. Okay, and you have to read that question. Okay, student, you have to read this theorem. Okay, if the sum of a pair of opposite angle of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, the quadrilateral is cyclic. Yes, very good. Like what they have found. What we have to find in this, like here we can see that this theorem looks like the opposite of the previous theorem. As we have solved, as we have constructed the figure of that theorem, it's look like the opposite of that theorem. Okay, so now what? So now again I have question for you, like in figure ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC in which AC and BD are its diagonal. Okay, so now we are going to solve this question. Okay, so for that, how we can prove this? Okay, so now here we will start the proof of the theorem on the whiteboard. Okay, and I will discuss with you like what is given in this question. Like given is A B C D is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is given here? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, like triangle DBC is 55 degree and triangle BAC is 45 degree. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find triangle BCD. Okay, what we have to find? Triangle BCD. Okay, so let's start proof of this theorem. Triangle CAD is equal to triangle DBC is 55 degree. Here we can see that triangle CAD is equal to triangle DBC is 55 degree, and this will be the angle in the same segment. What will be the angle in the same segment? Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. Now we have proved further in order to complete the proof. Okay, sorry, we have proceed. Now we will proceed further in order to complete the proof. Okay, so now here let's start further proofing. Okay, so but here we can see triangle DAB plus triangle BCD is equal to 180 degree. So here what is this? So here we can see that opposite angle of a cyclic. What is this? Opposite angle of a cyclic. Okay, so here BCD is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. It will be 80 degree. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear how we got this. Okay, so now this theorem is hence proved. So again, I have one question for you. If the sum of pair of opposite angle of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, the quadrilateral is, yes, the quadrilateral is the opposite. Okay, so let's move further. Okay, so again I have one question for you. You have to read that question. Okay, so I have question that prove that quadrilateral form impossible by the internal angle bisector of any quadrilateral is cyclic. Okay, now we are going to solve that equation. For that, first we have to construct the image. Okay, so here I will construct the image. Okay, I am constructing the image like the image is like quadrilateral. Okay, here we can see like this, and the inside this quadrilateral we can see there is a triangle made of, and two triangles is made of inside the triangle. Okay, so this will be the like this. Okay, and we will name this quadrilateral triangle. So here what we will name, like first we will name this outward parts A B C D. Okay, and we can see that E F G H. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. Like the construction AB is a quadrilateral in this which angle bisect AH, BF, CF and DH of internal angle AB, C and D, okay, respectively from quadrilateral EFGH. Okay, so I hope everyone clear. Okay, so now let's start to prove quadrilateral EFGH. So what we are going to prove, like quadrilateral EFGH proof. So here now let's start the proof of this theorem. Now we can see that triangle FEH is equal to triangle AEB. Triangle AEB. It will be 180 degree minus triangle EAB minus triangle EBA. Okay, after that it will be 180 degree minus 1 by 2 triangle A plus triangle B. Okay, and we can see that triangle FGH is equal to triangle CGT is equal to 180 degree again. So here we can see triangle GCD minus triangle GDC. Okay, so after that it will be also 180 degree minus half triangle C plus triangle D. Okay, so I hope till now everyone is clear. Okay, so therefore triangle FEH plus triangle FGH is equal to 180 degree minus 1 by 2 triangle A plus triangle B. Triangle A plus triangle B will be 180 degree. Okay, so after that minus half triangle C plus triangle D. Okay, after that we will see that we can see that it will be a 360 degree minus 1 by 2 into 360 degree. So after that it will be 360 degree minus 180 degree. It will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here we can see that the sum of opposite angle of this quadrilateral is 180 degree. Therefore the quadrilateral EFG is cyclic. EFGH is a cyclic. So here theorem is hence proved. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. Okay, so again I have one statement for you, like we have to solve one question, like sum of opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree, 150 degree, 90 degree. So all of you know it will be the 180 degree. Okay, very good. So let's recapitulate our today's class, like what we have learned in our today's class. We have discussed about cyclic quadrilateral, two theorem of a cyclic quadrilateral, and solved question based on the theorem, like first theorem and second theorem. Okay, after that I have homework for you, like the homework is that ABCD is a cyclic line quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at point E. If triangle DBC is equal to 70 degree, triangle BAC is 30 degree, find triangle BCD. Further, if AB equal to BC, find triangle ECD. The second question is that if diagonals of a circle quadrilateral are diameter of the circle through the vertex of quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. Okay, so after that one activity I have, like take 3 different color papers and draw one circle on each. Now take 4 points on each circle and draw the quadrilateral joined by those points. Paste those circles in your notebook in which sum of either pair of opposite angle of quadrilateral is 180 degree. I hope everyone have written this question in your notebook. So please come by solving this question. We will meet in next class tomorrow. Okay, so till then take care and bye. Thank you everyone.